Grandma and Grandpa painted a picture of 65 years in one little house. More than a memory, more than saying I do. Kiss you good nights and I love yous. Me and you, baby, will walk in the footsteps and build our own family, one day at a time. 10 little toes, a painted pink room. Our beautiful baby looks just like you, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Now till forever, it's all of me, all of you. Just take my hand and I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be, and we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all you need. Beside you I'll stand through the good and the bad. We'll give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Life will go by in the blink of an eye, but I wouldn't want to spend it without you by my side. The clouds are gonna roll, the earth's gonna shake, but I'll be a shelter through the wind and the rain, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Now till forever, it's all of me, all of you.
Good morning, my love. I've been looking forward to this day ever since I met you. I never knew what it meant for a woman to make or break a man until all my years with you. You made me the best version of myself, and you complete me. Today represents a lifetime of love, laughs, and happiness. I will see you soon as you walk down the aisle, with tears of course, but only because you'll be mine forever.
I, Thomas,
take you, Jenel,
take you, Jenel,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I, Jenel,
Take you, Thomas,
take you, Thomas,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
In sickness and in health.
to love you and to honor you
To love you and to honor you.
to love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
From the ground up, for worse or for better.